Hi, is this bus going downtown? Hi, is this bus going downtown? How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? One ticket, please. One ticket, please. Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Thank you. Thank you. Is this seat free? Is this seat free? May I sit here? May I sit here? Excuse me. Excuse me. This bus is very busy today. This bus is very busy today. I am going to work. I am going to work. I am going to school. I am going to school. What time will we arrive? What time will we arrive? Is this the next stop? Is this the next stop? How many stops are left? How many stops are left? Can you tell me when we get to Main Street? Can you tell me when we get to Main Street? I think I missed my stop. I think I missed my stop. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. It is raining outside. It is raining outside. The bus is moving fast. The bus is moving fast. I like sitting by the window. I like sitting by the window. I can see many shops. I can see many shops. There is a lot of traffic today. There is a lot of traffic today. Excuse me, can I get off here? Excuse me, can I get off here? Is this the city center? Is this the city center? I need to change buses. I need to change buses. Which bus goes to the airport? Which bus goes to the airport? I am meeting my friend today. I am meeting my friend today. My stop is coming soon. My stop is coming soon. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Excuse me, this is my stop. Excuse me, this is my stop. Please let me pass. Please let me pass. I am getting off now. I am getting off now. See you later. See you later.